Welcome to Extender for Dynamics GP10. I'm John Hoyt with TMC. With GP10's Extender product, we offer the ability to add additional information to any of the GP master or transaction windows. I wanted to show you an example of how we can use Extender during the purchase receiving process using the context-sensitive capabilities using conditional formatting. We can instruct the Extender window to only open under certain activities. Let me enter my PO number, my item number, and then as I tab off that screen, I get a new window opening asking me to verify the quality control of that particular item as it's been received. We'll mark that as passed and say OK. I continue filling out my purchase receipt just like I would for any other object. Now I enter a different item number, and when I tab off the item field, this time I get a Extender window that wants me to record the case count and the color of the product that came in. I make those selections and click OK, and continue entering my purchase order receipt. This time when I enter an item, there's no conditional object associated with it, so nothing opens. Let's show you how that Extender window is built. Open Extender from my shortcut menu, go to the Windows, and within the Windows section, pull up my test item. This was the first item that we looked at. And you can see here on my Extender window, I'm simply capturing information about its quality control. And with the list value over to the right, I can determine what is going to be captured as the available values: passed, failed damaged, failed returned to vendor. From the Options tab, I can specify that I want this to auto open on field exit, and I mark it as a required field. Similarly, with test item 1, I have two fields that I'm going to capture data for: case count, which is a quantity field, and the color, which again is a list field and allows me to select from available options. This is also going to be auto open when I tab off the item number field. These two windows are now associated together into a window group. The window group allows me to indicate which windows I want to have open, both test 1 and test item 2, and under what conditions do I want those items to be open. In this case, any time where my item ID is equal to test item. And then on the second item, same setup, test item 1, anytime I tab off. That's a brief overview of the setup and the use of Extender windows in Dynamics GP 10.0. This has been John Hoyt, a solutions consultant at TM.